Okay, we're going to wrap up this unit on sound effects in lyrics and poetry. I was talking to my wife the other day, who was on the other end of the phone here, filming me doing all these, and she said, well, why do we really care about all this stuff? And it's a good question. The reason we care is because people who write poetry and song lyrics are quite aware of the effect they create with all these different sound effects. In many ways, they're subliminal, and our job as somebody who appreciates literature is to look into how they achieve these effects. You know, when you think about it, you have a favorite song because that song has a hook, and many of those hooks are built on these sound effects. So the next thing I'd like you to do is to go out and look for some songs you like yourself to see how those writers use these sound effects in their lyrics.